In this video, we will be optimizing the resolution of a remote computer to match our own. Okay, so we are now connected to a computer with a higher resolution than the one we are currently on. As you can see, everything is smaller compared to the resolution on the local computer, such as the taskbar and the icons. If for any reason we would need to change that, the options we are looking for can be found in the Settings button on the top right corner of the ISLite toolbar by hovering over Screen Resolution. Now, we can opt to quickly change the resolution of one or more monitors by hovering over these options below and selecting a preferred resolution. A more in-depth way would be to click on Change Screen Resolution. A new window opens, telling us which resolution our local computer is in. Below that, the current resolution of our remote monitors. Clicking on our local monitor will adjust the remote monitor's resolution to match ours. We can also choose a particular resolution from one of the remote monitors drop-down. If we decide we would only like to change the resolution of one monitor, but not the other, we can uncheck the ones we would like to keep as is. Okay, so once we click Apply, we can already see the remote resolution has changed. If we just click on Monitor 1 in the ISLite toolbar and select Full Screen, we can now see by the Windows taskbar and icons that the resolution is the same as the computer we are physically on. When we're done working, we can simply exit full screen and close the session. Once that's done, the remote resolution will be reverted back to its original state. We can also revert it manually by going back to the Options menu and clicking Change Screen Resolution to open the menu back up, and clicking on this link right here, we revert the remote resolution back to its default setting. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.